Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys FutureBuilder widget. So FutureBuilder widget, what it basically does is help you process information that you will get in the future. So first of all, let's go to our code where I just give you a dummy data. So now I will create this method where um, we can just delay for 2 seconds and fetch this data fetch successfully. So what this method does is that is actually getting this data fetch successfully in the future because we delayed it for 2 seconds. And mind you, anytime you are creating this kind of method, you have to use the async and await. This await means that you have to wait for 2 seconds before you fetch this data successfully. So now let's go into our code where I create our FutureBuilder widget. So first of all, we create our center widget. Then we create the FutureBuilder widget, and inside it, we then put our fetch data here over here inside this future. That means it's getting this data in the future. That's after 2 seconds. Then we are going to display this fetch data successfully. Then after that, we create this builder. This builder context, this context here is just showing you. This context means that um, it's is showing you the position of this widget in the widget tree. And this snapshot is this data here. This is just like initializing this fetch data. So instead of using this method directly inside our builder, we'll just use this snapshot, and which is going to get this fetch data. So now let's go into our code, and now we'll put an if statement. Now we are saying that if this snapshot dot connection state is equals to waiting, what we will now put a circular indicator here that before this information load, that's before it's finish counting, it should load, it should show this circular progress indicator, which is like a form of like loading state. So now if we have an error, what should we do? We should just output the error message. Unfortunately, this is just a dummy method, so we are not going to get, hopefully, okay, we are not going to get any error message. And then if there is no error, what should we output? We should output the data, and data is this, because this method is outputting a string, which is this string here. So hopefully when we execute this program, we are supposed to get this data fetch successfully. So now that is all for FutureBuilder. So let's try to run it and see what we get. And you see, at first we are going to be getting the loading state first. We are getting the loading stage, and after that it fetch successfully. Let me load this up again. Loading state, and then, but if we have an error, it will show this error instead of this part. So let me load it one more time so you see how it goes, and voila, we have gotten. So FutureBuilder is a very easy and simple method to use, especially when you are getting information from the server. We don't have a server here, that's why I created this method. But if you are getting a document or anything from the server, you just use that instead of using this method. Create a method, fetch your data from the server, and then output it here, and then you put the method here, and then you output it. So that's all about FutureBuilder. So do well to use this FutureBuilder. It's a very simple and easy way to access information to your backend. So do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.